Hello everyone, let's solve question 56 of GATE paper CS1 2025. Suppose a 5-bit message is transmitted from source to destination through a noisy channel. The probability that a bit of message get flipped during transmission is 0.01. Flipping of each bit is independent of one another. The probability that message is delivered error-free to the destination is rounded off to 3 decimal places. So let's understand a bit of probability basics and then try to solve this. So what is the probability? Probability is an event of event A happening between 0 to 1, and P of A is 1. It means it always happen. Probability of A is 0. That means it never happens. Independent events. Two events are independent if and only if probability of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. In our case, flipping of each bit is independent. That means the result of one bit is flipped does not affect the other. Okay. Complements rule. Uh, if a probability of event is PA, then the probability of it not happening is 1 minus P of A. For example, if a bit has 0.01 probability of being flipped, then it has 0.99 probability of being not flipped. I can check that. If P of A like getting flipped is 0.01, then P of not flipping, that means 1 minus 0.01 is equal to 0.99. Not flipped, transmitted correctly. So probability of getting transmitted correctly is 0.99. Let's understand Bernoulli trails because and by the way, this concept is done in class 12. So we expect that you guys know that. A Bernoulli trail is an experiment where two possible outcomes, either it is success or either it is failure. It repeats independently multiple times through Bernoulli process. Repeating it multiple times forms a Bernoulli process. Okay, transmitting each bit over a noisy channel with a fixed flip probability is a Bernoulli trail. Transmitting each bit over a noisy channel with a fixed flip probability. Flipping probability is 0.01 and not flipping probability is 0.99. So message length is 5 bits. Flipping probability per bit is 0.01. Not correct transmission is 0.99. Bits flip independently. We asked what is the probability of 5 bits flipping like transmitting correctly. So as mentioned, 5 bits. P of A union B is equal to P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Since A of I is ith bit transmission event, since bins are independent for bits to be all correct, then we will be doing intersection everywhere. P of 5 bits, A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 intersection A4 intersection A5. All the 5 bits to be flipped. So we multiply all the probability P of A1 into P of A2 dot P of A5. Since we know that probability of transmission correctly is 0.99, so technically 0.99 to the power of 5. We are going to be calculating that. So 0.99 to the power of 5 is basically 0.99 ka square into 0.99 ka square into 0.99 is equal to 0.9801 ka square into 0.99 and okay, so 0 point. Now I need to calculate this. So let's calculate that. This will take time. So 99 by 100 into 99 by 100 into 99 by 100 into 99 by 100 into 99 by 100. Let's try to solve this. So below it will be 10 to the power 10 and above it will be 99 into 99 is 9 nines are 81, 9 nines are 81 plus 8, 89. Again 89. I can write here 891. So 9801 is the sum, sorry, square. Now again multiply it with 99, so 9801 with 99. So it comes out to be 9801 cut 9801 1187 10. So 107811. 107811 we get. Again multiplied by 99. So 10. Sorry, problem. There is a problem. I actually multiplied it incorrectly. Let me correct that, please. So 9801. Let me write that properly because I made a mistake. So 9801 into 99, I had to do 9098 is 72, 99 is 81 plus 7, 88. Cut 88209, 99208 plus 8, 16, 17, 17. 9. So 970299. Again multiply 99 in that. This is a tough calculation, to be honest. 99 we have to do. Okay, so this will keep on increasing. But if I keep multiplying, then it will be like a really difficult part because we have to multiply 0.99 multiple times. Let me write that actually. So 9801 into 99 comes out to be 970299. Again multiply 99 in that. So 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81, 89. 9 twos are 18, 18, 26. 2, 9 sevens are 63. 9 nines are 81 plus 6, 87. Cut 8732691. If I again total it, then 1 0 6 9 5 0 6 9. Okay, let's do the fourth multiplication in that. So if I do the fourth multiplication in that, so 90, let me write that. So 96059601. This is what is coming after three multiplication of 99. If we do the fourth multiplication of 99, because for five numbers to be multiplied, we will be doing four multiplication operation. Let's multiply it again with 99. So 9 ones are 9, 0, 9 6 are 54, 9 nines are 81 plus 5, 86, 9 fives are 45, 853, 900 plus 5, 53 आ गया. 9 6 are 54, 9 nines are 81 plus 6, 87. But 8745364 536 409. If I try to calculate that, let me correct that. I actually write it properly. 874536409. Okay, let's try to solve that. This will come out to be 99400 9 and 981 plus 586 to be honest. Uh, this will come out to be 6. 6 plus 4 0, 8 plus 6 14, 15, and then 9. This is what it is coming out 95099000499. And this have to divide it by 10 to the power 10. So 1, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it comes out to be 0.95099000499. Okay, this is the exact answer. Rounded off to three decimal places. So uh, let's do that. So this will become 50 this side. If I try to do it, then doesn't matter. This is 9 basically. So it is greater, so it will be 1. So 0.951 seems the correct answer. So rounded to three decimal places, 0.951. Okay. So that's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.